I would like to thank the Wolmers Old Boys Association for considering me for this honor. You know, many years ago, me going to Wolmers, I can remember the prestige of being a Wolmers youth. You know, the Agi Kwadagis is something that I've carried with me all my life. Yes, it means whatever you do, do it to the best of your ability. So hard work is involved, and I think that just the statement alone and that mantra, saying it over and over again, helped me out through my life. I'm very glad that the association is kind of looking towards helping the school and the facilities to enable, you know, the students of today that do attend Wolmers to be able to tap into their full potential. A very commendable thing to look back and give back. And so I thank you all very much. And I'd also like to bless up Mr. Barnett and his family. R.I.P. to Mr. Barnett. He was a great principal. 19 years he served. Very strong morals. So big up to Mr. Barnett and his family. And thank you all.